So I see a pattern where we could go down to 22 before July the 4th, and then the
here we go again.
This is
on the 4th of July. On the 4th of July.
This is AZ Backpack. I just want to say, here's a theory. Versace, bro, you crack me up.
Thanks, bro.
In the window, I've been looking over and over again, man. That's that price spike at $1,000. I'm telling you guys.
Well, I do have a resistance line at 22, and I do have a downward trending line that hits right on July the 4th. So that's why I kind of made that funny joke.
In the comments, he keeps repeating, "Don't let him blow smoke in your ass." I feel like that's the message he's giving us: is don't let anybody blow smoke in your ass right now.
Yeah, he has a hair dryer thing or whatever the hell that is.
Yeah, and then a clip from a old school medical thing where that was actually a procedure, blowing smoke in people's ass.
He's on one, bro.
What?
Yeah, read his comments underneath the picture.
Medical procedures. Look about how chainsaws were made.
Just don't fall for the fake ones.
I mean, today, doctors are convincing people that little pills are better than rest and exercise.
Eating right and getting some
eating right,
sunlight.
exactly.
Taco Bell.
It's gonna be
Taco Bell.
There's gonna be some shit on the Greek cannon or something.
A little out a long way.
Love me some alcohol.
Yeah, alcohol, vodka. So basically, the ancient pharaohs mummified in alcohol mercury substance. So you just subtract the mercury, you should be good.
Hi.
I'm waking up.
Hi guys, this is Waterboy.
Waterboy, what's up? What's going on?
Waterboy.
What's up, player?
Who need premium H2O to dance with Doge?
I'll take some, please.
This boy needs some dang premium Doge V-chain merge going on, bruh.
I have premium H2O to dance with Doge for 4th of July right now.
Yeah, buddy, I'll take some premium H2O.
Dead ass. Everybody grab some water right now. I got a toast.
That's a sheep.
There, baby.
He said leash.
Oh, leash.
Maybe it's bumping.
I wonder if this thing is gonna go down already, like to where it started spiking from.
Biscuit, it's not pumping. It's just at $2,500 and something dollars.
What? So wait, what?
Yeah, go check it out.
Leash? Wasn't that at like
$2,608.26, up 18.65% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinDex.com.
You know who's really pumping today is ICP.
Somebody told me to buy that at $400 today, and I thought they were so crazy.
Really? Yo, I don't know.
Oh, look at ICB. Yes.
Yeah, ICP's been pumping, but it's been dumping before, so it has.
Hey, Trogdor, did you get it?
It's free real estate.
Bitcoin, what's big BCHA again? I forgot. Bitcoin hashish, or what's BCHA?
Bitcoin Cash?
No, BCHA. What is that?
Hope you feel better.
I think that's Bitcoin Cash Hole.
Cash Hole?
Hey, Trogdor, did you get in on that leash?
Nope.
Oh, my bad. That is. I'm out, dude. I live in a cave. Derp.
It's no, it's a BCHA is a Bitcoin Cash ABC. Some other probably.
Oh, okay. So it's a fork of
Yeah,
it.
don't buy the wrong thing. But it's pumping.
Interesting.
Hey, it's pumping. I think people saying like because they look like the last cycle, the Bitcoin Cash reached $4,000 because they looked at it initially like, well, it's cheaper than Bitcoin. Sounds like Bitcoin, so people buy whatever is cheaper. They don't look at the, and same as this looks like, people just, I don't know, maybe just a pump and dump, maybe not.
Yeah, I bought Bitcoin Cash a couple months back. I understood that my understanding of it was that it was like easier to pay for things. They advertise it like it's faster, and I didn't understand that there was a fork. So yeah, I was one of those unlucky souls.
Yeah, same as like Ethereum Classic, ECH.
Bitcoin's getting some volume
ETH,
on Binance
BTC.
Global.
So is the Doge.
Well, Doge is not really a fork, just because it's made. A fork is different. Like, so basically, Ethereum right now is a fork of Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum. It's kind of like backwards. Like they didn't like that one. We don't like that one because they had a security flaw, like 500 mil got stolen or something like that. And so they forked it and made it into Ethereum. And so this new Ethereum is actually better. But Bitcoin that we have right now is the original Bitcoin, and it has had actually thousands of forks. What's a fork is it just means that somebody tried to change the protocol and like say, okay, I have this much or something. Try to make and then that creates another network. Like, so in any case, that's in layman's terms. But there's many forks that people try to copy, and in the beginning they were trying to like spoof people into buying these coins that sound like Bitcoin, but it's not.
Hopefully, lucrative play works out here.
Ultimately, everyone just needs more satoshis.
Interested? I'll set up or I'll post the instructions how to make your own fork of Bitcoin. Actually, just a few steps. It's about 12 steps, 13 steps. Yeah, 13 steps. I'll post it right now. In
Yep,
general.
it's on the internet.
That's awesome. I want to do that. I want to make a coin.
Token, make a Ethereum token.
Oh, straight Bitcoin fork.
Oh, like a fork, yeah.
Yeah, just fork Bitcoin. Anyone can do it.
Mic check.
I want an OP coin.
Can you mic check again, dude?
Need a better check.
Yeah, I heard someone. I couldn't tell who it was.
Let's check it again.
I'm sleepy.
Did we just bounce off that 256?
Yeah, we're breaking this resistance. I don't know if you guys can see it here. This is what I wanted you to see because this is too accurate, man. I didn't even touch my chart yet. You see this
Exactly, like the Moon Boy.
It's insane, man. Even Bitcoin followed the. Where was it? Look at Bitcoin, man.
Hey guys, Lucrative's popping in real quick. We did break out of that descending wedge, so at least maybe trying to push up again. See, I don't know if it's a new high, but heading up probably for a little second here. Peace.
Even Bitcoin on the daily, look at that. Yeah. We're peaking above this diagonal resistance. The last time we peaked, we bumped with 4 or 5K within 2 days. So if we're gonna repeat this again, yeah, we can easily hit 38K.
50 cents for 50th
Mic check.
birthday.
Check.
On my daily, you can. It kind of looks like a reversal is happening there, Biscuit.
Irreversal.
We got our bullish hammer on the finish to the week that I was talking about a few days ago, guys. I quit looking at it. It was down like this morning. I was like, it doesn't look too good. And then now that it finished, I'm looking at it. It's perfect. It was like the perfect finish to the week candle. If we get a green one this week, we'll have that reversal pattern I was talking about for the morning star. So
You have to zoom into the 8 and 4 hour. I know you have changed your ways and only looking at the weekly, but that will not be enough, in my opinion.
No, I know you got to see what goes into it, but I'm just taking it slow right now. I'm not trying not to judge it, based on the daily candles. I want to see a bigger time frame of a reversal is all.
Oh man, Bitcoin will be pumped so much you don't even know.
To the moon again. I better go back to my level.
No, it's ridiculous. This fib, the speed resistance fan fib, like that pretty much the hex is following. Like, so that's a young coin. This Bitcoin, I mean, from 1 penny to all-time higher. I mean, it's gonna be ridiculous. We're gonna pump so much. It's gonna be stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm telling you, dude. But you might not believe it right now. But Bitcoin, out of everything else, dude, is gonna pump so fucking much. Like $1 million, like 3.5 mil by not in too long, not too long from now.
What if Vlad gives Elon a present tomorrow and throws down some Robinhood wallets?
Next halving, $1 million Bitcoin, easy.
Yo, wallets would be lit.
Why did KCS coin pump so hard? Did y'all see that?
Which one?
KCS is still climbing. I
Oh,
bought
my
it.
God.
I bought it at 670. It's already up to 742.
God damn.
One said something about a reversal. You're talking about Bitcoin or Dogecoin?
I think he's talking about Doge.
I was getting.
But yeah, right now, an hour to last hour, KCS, as Donnie was saying, is definitely killing. ICP, BCHA, and XDC. Those are the ones that are doing well right now. FTM not bad as well, 1.6.
Yeah, I was telling you about Dogecoin on daily and weekly. You can see that it's slowing down. Like I'm referring to the Williams alligator.
Got it.
I don't know. Bitcoin's still in like a bull flag right now. Just like on its
Check. Mic check.
You're good.
You're good.
Yeah.
One day we're gonna wake up, and from the previous day, the Bitcoin will pump like 40%, if not 50. You will see.
Well, yeah, you guys. I mean, Bitcoin. It's probably gonna do well with that upgrade in November, and you know what happens usually.
Regardless of the fundamentals,
Regardless, yeah. But I'm thinking like once that fundamentals are added on too, and especially November, December, markets usually known to do pretty well.
Expect this one all out, so I went all in. That's what I based it on.
Yeah, I do the same.
Was he bearish?
Yeah, he was very bearish. Expect this.
No.
So I'm all in until
he said we're deflating limp penis.
Man, I'm tell you something. I ain't no expert in Elliott waves, but I had these waves since yesterday, and according to it's wave 3 is at 33 cents within the 1st of July. By the end of the last day of June, wave 3 is at 33. I don't know, but could be very wrong.
Guys, if we hit 33 and we come back down,
Well, we're gonna hit the 4, hit the 5 at 38, and then we're gonna have our correction. according to the ABC. But let's give it some time.
So it looks like Shiba Inu is putting its tail between its legs and taking out the literature Doge killer.
I made $10 off of Sheena.
But they stopped calling themselves a Doge killer. They're putting the tail between the legs. They're saying, sorry, guys.
Doge chaser.
What, did they put out a statement or something for real?
They changed them. Hold on one sec. Yeah, recently. Let me see. Hold on.
Biscuit, did you own Leash?
So Shiba Inu dropped the name of Doge
No.
Killer from its new and upgraded website and changed its language that is focused only on its quality. So I guess it took it off that wolf paper too.
I do not own any Leech, unfortunately. I wish I bought one.
That
I
means
feel
they're
like
developing.
I feel like an idiot right now.
I don't know if you heard me. I don't know if you heard me earlier, but somebody told me to buy it today at $400, and I thought they were crazy.
Oh man,
So what did we miss out on?
$2,600.
Of what coin?
Times 100x leverage.
Oh man,
Oh my
someone
God, I'm
made
fine.
millions today
What
while
coin?
we were sleeping.
Leash.
Leech.
Which
It's
coin?
part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Just
No,
go
it's
to the Shiba website.
Man, I've been asking about
which coin was it?
Leash.
Leash.
Leash. Why would Leash
Like
go up before
dog
Shiba
on a
Inu,
leash.
yo?
There's Shiba Inu has 3 separate coins as well. It has Bone, it has Leash, and there's one more. I forget the name.
Well, Bone hasn't started being made yet. That'll come with Shiba Swap, and actually there's going to be a burn rate on Leash too. So I think the price will continue to go up because you're going to
Hey.
pay Shiba and the Leash to make the Bone.
Hey Drew, Prolific in my chat says thanks for the cloud. Many thanks.
Go Prolific, go. Go Prolific, go. Tell him I said
Is
good job.
that Jason Prolific, the Doge guy?
Why would Leash be so much? That's my question.
Mine too, because Shiba Inu should go up first before Leash goes.
It's the number of leash. Leash was
probably
programmed to
There's-
be like that. It's the number of circulation, and they pre-programmed it to boost. They knew what was up.
There's a lot less Leash. Exactly what he's saying. There's very few in comparison to the
Leash-
trillion or whatever that Shiba has.
Yes, leash is it's stable. Like it's store value. Like Shiba has 3 different parts, and they say their store value part would be the leash. That's kind of like their Bitcoin version of their Shiba, I guess.
Yeah, basically Shiba was designed to be the shit coin, and Leash was designed to be their expensive coin or their good
Exactly.
coin. But in the end, they're both going to get burned for bones. So it's just they're both going to have a good burn rate. So
Yeah, but when did Leash come out?
Same time. I mean, Leash, the programming for Leash came out same time Shiba Inu came out, but they didn't. I think just recently, like 2 days ago. The original.
So I didn't know about this, and they didn't even list it. No, they only certain people knew about it.
Got to get in the know.
If they didn't release it as public information, then it's
designed for
insider.
everyone. Only
All that info is on the wolf paper.
Yeah, it's the rumor's been out for a long time, and it finally came out. So it's not new news.
The
That
only
sucks,
thing,
man. I
that
could have
is-
FOMO'd in. Damn.
The only thing new about it is the fact that it went up this much. That's the only flash news.
Where are you
Well,
seeing that?
anyway, that's
200?
fine. I'll wait for Shiba Inu to do the same thing, and it'll do it. I
I think it already did it.
Doge is going to do it first.
Doge will do it more likely. It's got more behind it.
No, but you think Shiba Inu will never go up?
Dude, so it was a pump and dump already. I'm sorry.
No, man. Shiba Inu still got.
Well, it was before the Binance listing was a pump, and that Binance listing was a dump. Look at the chart. Zoom out.
Leash went up to $8,500 on the 11th. That's so crazy.
Whoever said that about the Binance listing, can you find me one coin where that hasn't happened?
That's what I'm saying. Every coin on Binance listing, especially crap coins, especially just tokens. I wouldn't call it a coin. I'm sorry. It's not a coin. It's a token.
It's
Let me know where was Leash available for trade?
that's all they do.
He made that point earlier, Trogdor. He said you got to buy it before it hits Binance, or it's too late.
Buy the rumor, sell the news.
Where was it available for trade?
Could you go
Unis-
look up
Uniswap?
Did you look at the Shiba Inu website?
Uniswap, you can get it.
The
Uniswap,
guy
the
with
third version.
the guy with the burning questions.
Let's talk about Doge.
I mean, I have Shiba Inu in my
That's you, Dokrash. Go to the
crypto.com. Yeah,
Cheap coins. Your mic's cutting in and out. And by the way, in my opinion, cheap coins aren't what's going to make somebody rich. It's going to be fundamentals.
Is it the leash Doge killer? Or is it?
Yes.
So it's listed on Bitforex and Hotbit. So if you go to listedon.org, you can type in your coin and see where it's listed. So you can buy those coins that are about to be listed somewhere else. But you have to like register in some bogus exchanges or Chinese exchanges. Just make sure you do your research before you like register. Most of those exchanges do not require KYC. So, but make sure you.
There's a new coin that's supposed to be coming out that's supposed to be the driving the ATM machines for the crypto on it. It was on Vostok coin.
All right, guys, we're back on YouTube right now. We've got a super chat from Wizwan Fazel, 200 rupees. Is there a reason for this pump on Bitcoin to 34? A TA on Doge, please.
Doge is going to the moon.
Literally. And this pump on Bitcoin to 34. I mean, it wasn't that big of a pump, but you know, it hit some levels.
It was a really nice move, and it flipped the daily ticker for the MACD.
Yes.
And I see continuation. This is only the beginning, in my opinion.
It was strategic, and it happened right, like you said, right before the daily closing and opening. And I like how it started around 4:20 Texas time. Who knows? Maybe Tesla was buying a shitload of Bitcoin. To try to stabilize Bitcoin to give some room for Doge.
The name of it is called Valorex token. It's coming out.
That was 10% since 420.
What's the ticker?
Valorex, I think it's VX, but VX seems to be shared in common with another token.
Let's talk about
But just type in Valorex, but it's only available on Binance, but I can't get on Binance because I'm in the United States, so I guess gotta wait for it to come out on an exchange where I can get it, or we can get it in this country.
Valorex?
Valorex, Velorex. Echo, Oscar, Romeo.
Are you on here?
Yo.
Can I ask you if we could? I got a question.
Buddy, your mic.
I got a question to ask you. Can I drop down a quick crypto too with you real quick?
Yeah, and real quick for the gentleman that wants that Vex, you can get on PancakeSwap V2.
Yeah, I can see it right here. The contract, I found it, but it was
It's on
practically
PancakeSwap. Cool.
Yeah, V2
Yeah.
PancakeSwap V2.
on Binance Smart Chain.
You can switch it with Vex with WBNB, and that's wrapped BNB.
You can switch anything with anything. You just go to 1 inch, and yeah, you can buy anything for anything.
Somebody wanted to chime in, say something.
I think someone had a question.
Yeah, he has his microphone is.
Nah, I passed. I was more like just throwing it out there.
And guys on the YouTube, hit that like and subscribe so we can get that algorithm going. You know, spread that Doge love.
Absolutely.
And on
This is
Pisket's
the
channel as well.
house.
Pisket got
No,
a
no,
YouTube as well.
it's more important to like the house first. This is the house that gather us all. Make sure to like Team's video, guys. We just relaunched the new stream. You better hit that like. This is the original place.
Like and subscribe. This is the base of the tree. Tame the ark, baby.
Well, it depends. Are you a patient person?
very patient. Don't like to keep doing like up and down like this.
My opinion is if you're a patient person, after you did some research, see who has the best fundamentals for the future. Like I'm talking about 5 years down the road. See who you can see that's still going to be alive and kicking 5 years later, 4 years later, not just alive, like kicking,
They're not supposed to do anything either.
And that's my opinion. That's why I'm choosing Doge, because I could see it alive and kicking in 5 years, because this is just the beginning.
Go look at AMD. Guess another one you can throw on the list to look at.
The biggest spot, I'd like to just be able to just put it in and drop it and kind of leave it alone. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I got the Valor-X on 3 different places. I can buy it now real quick.
Either you do that, or you find someone somewhere where to stake, and you get some very good staking rewards on something that's not too crazy volatile. Things like Tezos, Algo.
Yeah,
those are good longs in my opinion.
When I hear that kind of thing, I kind of think about Robert Kiyosaki, where he says like, you got to think about what kind of investor you're becoming.
Oh, now become the kind that makes a lot of money.
I like that kind.
No, Valor-X been dumping actually. Sorry.
And if you put $10,000 in the right project, you can expect yourself in 2 years to have about 300, 400 G's.
Yeah, just remember what you're investing in and what your possible rate of return is, because I mean Bitcoin's got to do somersaults to get the same rate of return that Doge is going to have by the end of the year, I think.
That's what I was wondering. Like, I'm not really good with math and all that, but yeah, I mean, like what I have, everybody else would be like pocket change pretty much, right?
Well, just think of it like this. You want to double your money, right? So if you put all your money into Bitcoin for it to double, what would it have to go to versus Doge?
Yeah, like 200,000.
I mean, so
when you put money in other coins other than Bitcoin, you're betting that the dominance of that coin will increase with Bitcoin. That means you're betting that you will need more Bitcoin to buy this coin. You're betting that this coin will be worth a little bit more what it is worth now in Bitcoin. That's how you gain over Bitcoin.
Again, by doing that visually, it's very good to always look at your BTC pairs, no matter what coin you're trading with. Even if you're trading against USDT, it's good to have that window open with, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Matic or something, just have those BTC pairs open so you can see how it's performing against Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is, that's the scale things should be scaled on.
I mean, there's some big numbers played on Dogecoin every day. Like I hear you even talking. Like, I know you're not sitting here just dropping $200 or $100 in this thing. You wouldn't be in it if you didn't feel that it was a good project. I could tell by the way you talk that you know what you're doing. That's really why I wanted to. And I'm pretty sure there's probably other people that's watching this right now has about the same questions. Because
oh yeah, for sure.
I don't know. I mean, honestly, I don't know.
Well, nobody knows. Even I don't know. I'm just confident in my decisions. I mean, I can, I consider myself to, do good research. So after all the research I've been doing over the years and just seeing, who's doing what, and, not just in the crypto sphere, just like in, big business in general, global business. And I like the vibes that I'm getting from this whole like trinity of companies, this Tesla, SpaceX, boring trinity. It's a beautiful thing, I think. Now with a Starlink too, that's just going to be the icing on the cake that connects everything together.
To be honest, man, and that's one of the things I absolutely love about Doge is I'm not going to say it's predictable, but it is so easy just to, spend a couple of hours on it, just watch it while it's not work, just watch it trades and make yourself $500 to $1,000 just in a nice scalp. It's so easy to do, and you can't do that on like a lot of other things.
Yeah, and I enjoy looking at the stars and stuff when I look up and I'm like, yeah, man, I'm supporting space exploration by jumping in this Doge.
Yeah, it definitely is. I mean, they've already got the money pretty much out of it.
And not only space exploration, I feel like I'm supporting some very like green friendly, ecological programs that are being initiated with some very, very big resources.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, it was just a big question of mine because I mean, you got the Papa sitting there staring at you all day long, which I already seen. I've already played in it when we're sitting here dead a little bit. I mean, you're talking like a penny for every couple hundred that goes up. Like it's nothing. Like
Yeah,
you'd have to jump $200 to make a buck on there with what I'm
that's the
playing with.
problem.
And when you think everything's in the fractal scale, so it's like ones become tens, tens become 100s, 100s become thousands, 1000s become 100,000, so on and so on. So when you think like that, it's like these moments that you have, and you're like, man, I don't have that much. Everybody's throwing down so much more than me. I was at that same point, let's say, in late December, or, just with like let's say how my confidence level and how much I wanted to throw down. I had some funds available, but I should have threw more in, but I didn't at the beginning. It was still kind of a FOMO because Doge was getting close to 1 cent and everyone's like, oh, it's never getting over 1 cent. So I FOMO'd. And, it wasn't that much at first, and then like luckily it did go back down to 0.007. That's when I got my big bucks in there. But it was like a FOMO moment, like right when it was around 1 cent. And it wasn't that much. And I was just making a calculation, even if I wouldn't have rebought and waited for it to go down to 0.007 again, just off that like 1 cent FOMO. But I was like 0.11 or 0.112. Off that FOMO buy, which is about 7 G's, that comes out to about $200,000. Actually, a little more.
When I bought in too.
Can I speak on something that I've just been reading about and I'm just like a little puzzled by?
Absolutely not. Just kidding.
Shut up.
It's some price action.
Hit it,
Like
lovely.
you totally cut it off. But okay, so I'm looking at Coinbase.com. It says Polkadot on Coinbase went up more than 70% in the midst of crypto market sell-off. So this was posted on June 22nd. DOT was one of the day's biggest winners. Polkadot, the token for the smart contract blockchain of the same name, rose more than 70% in just 4 hours on US-based crypto exchange Coinbase. However, the price on other exchanges followed the larger market sell-off. The crypto market has experienced massive sell-off since Monday as Bitcoin, the number one cryptocurrency by market cap, plummeted below 30K during early trading hours Tuesday for the US for the first time since January. DOT's price, along with most major alternative cryptocurrencies, also declined, sinking as low as $13 in the past 24 hours, according to CoinDesk 20 data. However, DOT's price was one of the biggest winners of the day on Coinbase. It went as high as $22.80 around 12 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday, up more than 70% in 4 hours, according to data from TradingView and Coinbase. A spokesperson from Coinbase told CoinDesk team it is currently investigating what happened and said that the price discrepancy of DOT between Coinbase and other major exchanges is likely due to a, quote, send and receive function being disabled as part of an incident. The San Francisco-based crypto exchange also moved the DOT/USD and DOT/BTC trading pairs on its professional platform, Coinbase Pro, into limited-only mode at 1:35 p.m. as a result of the incident. And then it just says, DOT was moved to limit only to dampen expected volatility as the asset price reverts to parity with other exchanges once the incident is resolved. There was an incident regarding DOT trading on Coinbase in June 20, but according to both the websites and the spokesperson, a fix was implemented on the 21st. The U.S. crypto exchange giant started offering DOT trades on June 16th. At press time, DOT has changed hands at $15.17 on Coinbase, consistent with its price shown on CoinDesk 20. I'm just wondering what everybody thinks about that.
Don't trade on Coinbase.
I think they limited that coin before they lost their ass, is what I think.
Coinbase is nice to get your funds in the States,
Oh, the thing is, Coinbase lists Polkadot as being 70%, 76% as a buyer's coin. That's the trading. It's like 3-to-1 people. The buyer sell ratio is 3-to-1 right now. So as a majority of people selling the coin.
Coinbase doesn't seem to ever really actually have an accurate price on most of its coins at the, like on the right exact time. It always seems to be off.
Man, stop talking bad things about Coinbase. I have a share on that.
No,
Yeah, Coinbase Pro is good.
Yeah, I like Coinbase Pro.
Whoever's using just Coinbase should look in the mirror and slap themselves a few times.
You just type in pro.coinbase.com, use your same login, and stop paying those fees on Coinbase.
Yeah, but I don't know why Coinbase is not keeping up with real time quotes and.
Coinbase is for it's for beginners. Don't even get off it. Just don't even get it. Just stay off it. Go to
Just
Coinbase.
type in this in your web browser.
It's not for traders. It's for people that are just like not really trading. They're just throwing down a little bit here and there, and they don't look
You
at
can
charts. Just don't use it at all.
You can send your coins to Coinbase Pro for free, though, right?
Yeah, all you have to do is type in or get the Coinbase Pro app on the phone, or it's the same login. You don't have to create an account. Like it's all just log in and deposit, and then all your funds from Coinbase instantly to Coinbase Pro, where the fees are low. You can even send Ethereum and like high gas coins at a fraction of a cost. Like send Ethereum, it's like $1 it costs to send instead of
do all your buying and selling and anything on Coinbase Pro. You only stake on Coinbase. That's the only thing you want to do on Coinbase is to stake, but you don't want to buy or sell or deposit or withdraw. Everything you should do on Coinbase Pro, in my opinion.
Deposit is free ACH to Coinbase and Pro. And in fact, in Coinbase, it does take a day quicker, I noticed. It says, at least with my bank. And then I can just transfer.
Yeah, I don't know.
But otherwise, it's instantly available. So put it into Coinbase Pro from your bank. It's the same. Use the same. You don't have to re-enter any of that. Like it just takes the information from your Coinbase account, and then you just ACH your fund. They instantly available. You can buy something there right away.
Is XRP still worth getting?
Yes.
It's under what is that? 50 cents, 60 cents.
I'm just saying because of that SEC situation. I don't know whether they suspended it or something. Somebody was lobbying heavily for it last night. They were talking to me at a party, and they said it was like XRP is the thing to get.
If you want to get it for your grandchildren, maybe.
It's gonna go into effect.
Those are the $3 buy holders. The party. From last bull cycle went up to over $3.
Super chat.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Super chat from Jeremy Rowe, $4.99. Believe in what you invest in and believe it will change not only your life, but everyone around you. Rockets, rockets, rockets. Thank you, Jeremy Rowe, for that. Definitely can agree with that. We got another one from Mr. Belligerent. 5 bones. I was looking at Matic for long-term investment. Do y'all think it will still be relevant after ETH 2.0? Been buying bit by bit and holding for 10.5 APY. Thank you so much, Mr. Belligerent. I think ETH 2.0 is probably not going to be out for another 500, 600 years, so you should be safe. That's just my opinion.
Won't even be using computers by then.
Here. With Coinbase, is it true that you don't control the keys to your wallet?
With any spot trading platform, it's you have your keys, but it's still their wallet. I mean, you don't have your seed phrase for like Binance, Coinbase. It's their wallets, but technically, you have ownership of that coin.
You need a DEX for that, like a decentralized exchange in order for you to own the keys.
I mean, you could do stuff, or BitPay lets you own the keys as well.
Or have a offline wallet.
Alchemist here.
Dogecore. If you just do Dogecore, you own the keys. Dogecore is great, in my opinion.
Yeah, to the guy who is asking about XRP, if you go to news and there. I posted a video there. You should check it out.
My YouTube.
Okay, I will. But
my
what about
YouTube-
Sorry, Pisky. You said it's worth only getting it for your grandchildren, as you don't think it's gonna go up anytime soon.
Yeah, because of bag holders last full cycle. The fact that it's supporting the bankers does not represent, in my opinion, I could be wrong, does not represent a fully decentralized blockchain. It's just
It's
red
centralized.
flags all over it. Like, why would I don't know. I don't see a future for XRP.
You should, Pisket, you should go check out that video too, since you have that kind of mentality, just for your own benefit, for your own knowledge.
Fuck the bankers. I'm sorry.
I like Piscat's approach.
No, yeah, if they haven't done it, what I mean is like the price of the coin might be one thing separate from what they do with it, but it's a lot of negative publicity, like this whole thing with XRP. Like I wouldn't hate an XRP, and I would definitely respect the pump, if it pumps. But yeah, I wouldn't buy bags of it per se.
Well, anyways, XRP and XLM, those two are going to be working together. So again, go
Who
watch.
told you that?
Because I got a
Who
lot
told
of
you?
people talking some mess.
Who told you they're going to be working together?
Go watch the video. Oh my god.
Who's I mean, is some guy just saying that? Who's made the video? I'm busy. I'm not trying to watch that video. Who said that?
This is Alchemist.
No, not you. Who made that video? I'm curious what YouTube you
A developer. So they're interviewing a developer for XRP who actually develops code for XRP. And he's breaking it down for everybody, how it works and how it's going to work and how it's working now. So it gives a lot of info. That's why I posted it.
I used it to pay for my VPN because the fee was low, but I wouldn't buy bags of it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Isn't XLM the when the core devs left XRP,
Yeah,
they
that
went
doesn't
and
make sense.
created their own. So why are they working together? Exactly. What did the developer say? What's the point?
You gotta watch it. It's a lot of info.
Oh man.
You gotta watch it.
So you didn't watch? You can't give us like some cliff notes, like for dumb it down for us.
I'll watch it.
Okay,
Put it in the thing. I'll watch it. Put it in the channel.
XLM will be used for the front, cash. XRP will be used for the banking, and that's how it's going to be used, and it's all going to be used together.
So wait, are they now they joined forces? They're now at the same company in a way?
No. The way they're saying that XLM is going to be used versus how XRP is going to be used.
Exactly. That's how XLM works, and that's how XRP works. How are they working together exactly?
They're not going to be together. Where's this? I want to see this video. Where's this video in general?
Just watch the video, my man.
In general?
It's in news.
News. All right.
Cool. It's a good video.
Well, if you could come back on here and break it down a little bit.
Don't have music in the background, please. Yeah, I think XLM is great. XRP,
Okay, I'll buy XLM. But the video you said you posted on what channel on YouTube did you post a video on that you did?
It's in news. Look for Alchemist and you'll see the video.
Hey, Dokraz, just because something is great doesn't mean you should buy it. This is not how crypto works.
At least don't
Bitcoin
buy
is
the
great.
local.
The nodes that the ledgers that Ripple provides. Do you really think they need XRP token?
Well, that's an old conversation, man.
Yeah, up again, man. I mean,
I see the secret XRP tweet again. Elon Musk, XRP to the moon. Is that one?
Let me see.
Alchemist, do you have a position in XRP?
Of course I do.
That's
How
$3.05.
That says the differences between issuing assets on XRP versus XLM is the video.
Yeah.
About 10,000.
See. I hope it bumps to $1, man. Best of luck.
I mean, you know, people came to crypto for like Doge and other coins. I came to it for XRP, and then I found Doge, and then I found this community here. So I'm just investing in different things that I like personally, and that's one of them.
Yeah, XRP has a big fan base. There's like a whole army behind it.
Yeah, it's a crazy army, but just like this one, everybody believes in it, does the research, and there's a lot of research on it, and how deep XRP goes is in Ripple and XLM and Litecoin and Dogecoin and Flare Network. I mean, I don't know if a lot of people do their research here because I keep hearing the same things over and over.
I just look at the chart and the price action.
Yeah.
It stops for me at the connections with the bank. I don't want nothing to do with anything that even smells centralized.
And yeah, try to get away from the bank.
Yeah, man. They'll be like, oh, this guy stopped his account. What? I thought I was using a cryptocurrency.
It's all about making that money, so it really doesn't matter too much, you know.
No, I feel that. I respect it. Just in my frame of mind, I really don't want to back anything that's not leading us towards where we need to go.
I hear you, but those are
Financial
facts.
freedom.
Hell yeah, I believe in that too, man.
I didn't find anything in that video with a collab or any kind of like teamwork with XLM and XRP.
I said it's
Nothing
just
to
how it's going to
suggest
be
that.
used. So XLM will be used for like the
Right,
cap
but the
part.
way you worded it, I'm just saying the way you worded it. Yeah, there's totally
No,
different
Drew,
things on there.
Drew, you missed it. The Alchemist has 10K in XRP. We solved the mystery.
That's all good. Everybody's got their
But just no,
investments.
yeah, but just to clear it up, just so we don't mislead people, XRP is not working with XLM.
Anybody knows what's up with the Navy getting injected with the Ripple chip?
But they both do have similar layer solutions for these applications that our banks are trying to deal with. That's about
Yeah.
it.
I like XLM approach more.
Yeah, me too.
Or the one that's pumping. Or dumping. I mean, the one that lets me know is going to dump for sure or pump for sure.
Prolific, oh my god. Shut up, Prolific.
Shiba?
No, he said tell Lovejoy not to read 5-page articles. We need the bullet points.
She can read them. I like her voice.
And from what I got from that video, it seems like XRP will be harder to cash out in the future. So I guess
Just stuck with a bag. Stuck with it.
I think we should have her read a novel every day for all of us.
I'm okay with that.
Shut up, bodybuilder.
Because he was saying that XRP will be mainly used for stocks, bonds, derivatives, and tokenized assets and like stuff like that. XLM's for cash liquidity token, peer-to-peer. But totally different. It's like, just he was comparing them because they did both come from the same source kind of in a way.
I was in XRP for a while, but I got out as soon as they started delisting them from a lot of the places where you could buy it. Like that kind of scares me because usually whenever they start delisting stuff, there's a pretty big reason for that. I heard that they was really just focused more on the big company, not the token. That's kind of what I gathered out of this. Not the opposite what I'm hearing right now.
Yeah, one thing one could give XRP the fact that it could run. It's not impossible for it to run again.
I mean, it was at $1.75, and then I heard there's a lot of people up at $3. But the big thing that got me is that they had a pretty good run this year, and then they decided to yank them all off of most major networks. and they said that they possibly may just do away with the token altogether and just use the financial system for the bank, and that's it. Like
No,
that's
just
what I
think
heard.
about it. Just think about it. I have a million XRP at $3. It goes down to 10 cents. I buy like 3 million or something. Then it goes up to 1.25. I sell the entire thing in profit. That's exactly what happened on the chart.
entire bag?
The entire XRP bag.
Oh, the whole bag?
What's interesting, though, the only two currencies that you could send unlimited amounts free of charge from Coinbase user to Coinbase user, and even after all the problems that XRP had, Coinbase still said,